we're reviewing these today. Oh. What's up, guys? We're over here. It's your boy Ken.
Yeah, I'm Jan.
Oh, that's me. I'm David.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got our homie David Duong over here. What's full name? Let's say full name.
David Duong, yeah, David K. Duong, and Instagram, Snapchat, add it up. We're gonna put it right here, over there, annotations everywhere, bro.
Anyways, we got David over here, man, because he's here to sponsor the video. We got some sick kicks today because we broke as hell.
Hold on. We didn't talk about a sponsorship. We didn't sign the contract.
Oh shit, we're done here. Alright, man, but yeah, what we got, man?
Hey, man, before we start this video, man, make sure you hit that like button down below.
Alright,
right over there.
Right down. Emery, yo, who the fuck is Emery?
I don't know, man, but if you ain't subscribe.
Yes, sir, and post notification bell so we don't miss a video, alright, man?
Ding, 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 ding.
Let's get it, yeah. So, we got these sick kicks over here, and yo, we got double, because
2 is better than 1.
Exactly, man.
This is probably the most expensive review we've ever done.
Thus far, yeah, I'd probably say so, man. I'm pretty hyped for it. You want to introduce them, bro? What do you got here? I'm gonna move this here, so
oh yeah, move this out the way.
You don't want to fuck up no shoes.
Right, I don't want to unds my shoes without wearing them. We have the Livestock Toronto receipt. Oh my god!
Look at that, man. It's got that vintage edging over here,
right?
You know?
You see that distressed paper?
For sure, we got some wear and tear. You can see they don't care, man. But damn! Ooh, that smell, man. I'm saying, like.
Yo, honestly, y'all gotta smell this, bro.
Can y'all smell that? You know, can y'all smell the roses?
Yeah, sorry.
But we got these nice, sexy Jerry Lorenzo from, Fear of God, one of the founders, actually the founder. He made these beautiful Fear of God light bone joints, and these are the raids. April 28th, no, April 27th, my bad.
Yeah,
that's when it dropped, yeah,
that's when it dropped. Man, how'd you cop these, bro?
So, I actually didn't even line up or anything.
Shit, damn, man, well, that's a sick cop. Lucky you, bro. Like, I'm actually so jealous. This is nice.
We got 2!
Thanks, David, for sponsoring the show. You know, I've always wanted.
Yeah.
Hey, man, it's got a beautiful colorway. It's the light bone and the black and white on the, contrasting end.
Yeah.
Super
and you've got
sexy.
the white rope laces too, in case you don't like the cream ones.
Oh,
exactly. But let's start off with the upper, man. Right off the bat, man, it's got a premium touch. You know, the upper tumbled leather. Super soft, not even tumbled. It's like a suede or something.
Is it that?
It's premium. That's all I know, man.
It's like I wouldn't say nubuck suede. It's not like
close to a nubuck.
So it feels like
tumbled leather.
It feels like money did.
Tumbled leather here, but it's like it's wow. And the Nike swoosh too is also like tumbled leather suede. Tumbled suede even, because you can see the cracks in there.
It's a good short-haired one. You could put your finger across of it,
and it doesn't like brush.
Exactly, man. That's hype. On the toe box, we got this beautiful canvas, poofy mesh kind of thing, and it's got that nice like crescent moon action going around here. It's like a nice smile,
Yeah, that's that thing, eh?
Yeah, for real. I'm saying,
nice,
bro.
It's nice.
We got the low-key flex of the Air Max bubble going on here. It looks like it's just going around the heel area, but still pretty tight, you know what I'm saying? It's got that little elevation action if you're like 5'5", looking like 5'6", bro.
5'6", 5'7". I'm 5'10", but when girls be like, yo, I like guys that are like 6 foot tall. I'm about to.
Yeah, pop these baby on, man.
And if you can't afford these, there's always the wheat Tims.
Yeah, that's true. And they might even push up like to you like 6'1" or something.
Probably. For me, yeah.
Yeah, the Tims
solid.
Are thick.
They might give me a solid
They
7,
thick
8,
with like 7 C's, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
7 cylinder.
Damn, is that even thick anymore,
7 cylinder. I didn't
that
know
might
they
just
make
be
cars
obese
that
at
with
that
many
point, yo.
cylinders.
17.
But yeah, no, suggest this for the shorties out there for sure. I'm not calling homies shorties, man.
Nah, hey, man.
No,
It's
hold
29
on.
years, man.
Beside the air bubble, we got these codes over here. It says Air 180, Fear of God, SN 8329166.
What that mean though?
Yeah, what that?
Yeah, David, what that
It's
mean?
probably the serial number. SN price stands for serial number, so each individual shoe has their own separate serial number.
Oh. Hey man, if y'all enjoyed this content so far, hit that like button down below.
We got this sick lacing system similar to a Kyrie, but not really because it's got an X going on here.
Yeah, it's kind of close.
So we got these Velcro straps going all the way to the back, giving you that Chris Brown X or Ed Sheeran X or your bad X. But anyways, behind us here, we got this nice lacing system with the rope laces and this Fear of God little
toggle.
Yeah, toggle button. It's got Fear of God printed on there as well, so you know what's up. You're never gonna forget what shoes you're wearing when you look down because it's pointed right up.
Mind you, it runs true to size. Personally, I wear a size 10, but if I find when you strap the whole thing and like wrap the Velcro through, it kind of like hugs your foot a little bit. So I wouldn't say it's good for like long distance walking or any sort of like hard activity.
It's just a stunt.
It's just a stunt. It's just a flex, right? Like, yo, we got the Fear of God toys.
Yeah, but they hurting. A bit too high.
So I keep the strap nice and loose here. I keep it open. Keep the X. I don't know, whatever, and then the Velcro on the back. So nice. I can just slip my foot in. Speaking of
easy access,
easy access, you know.
Loosey Goosey is the movie, you know.
Hey,
so you know we gotta go with that.
But yeah,
that was lame as hell.
And then we got the inner sock lining on the inside, so it's like really plush inside.
Wow.
Is that removable? Is that insole removable?
Hey, no.
Oh, is that glued, dude?
I think it's glued.
So the insert is not removable, but it looks like it's one of their
it's
comfy insoles here. I think it says, what does it say on there, bro?
It says Air Fear of God.
Air Fear of God, man.
They got all that. I don't know if y'all see that. Y'all see that?
And of itself, it's Fear of God. Yeah.
Right, on the
It's a
inside
thing.
too, and on the tongue.
Is it Bible study today?
And what's cool about the tongue, we got the logo here. It's upside down. So
if you want to wear them like Jordans and like stick the tongue out,
You can do that.
but it probably won't happen.
No, probably
because
wouldn't do that.
it's pretty short.
Yeah. Dude, this is pretty soft on
It
the
is.
inside.
It's
man.
very plush.
Yeah, we got this plush lining on the inside. It's like a nice lining on the inside. On the toe box, I just wanted to say we got this like reverse stitch on the outside. Normally you see this stuff on the inside of the shoes. It's sick because it's kind of like that, you know, like inside out t-shirt looking effect. You know what I'm saying?
A little bit of off-white vibe to it.
Oh,
Exactly.
okay.
I think last but not least, we got the Nike Air subtly
can't
hit
forget
on the
about
back. Minimal aesthetics. You can't miss it. It's nice.
I think these would be a little easier to rock too than the Air Fear of God ones, like the higher ones where the lace goes around like the heel.
Yeah.
Again, that's gonna be hard as fuck to like unlace, right? Every time you take it off.
Yep.
So like these are a little bit easier, right? Like you don't really have to tie them around the back of your shoe. You can. I've rocked it that way. You can like tie it around the back and tighten the toggle, or just leave it like this.
Front
Like
dangling around.
I would do like I do like a double loop here.
Yeah.
Just so it doesn't like go dangling everywhere. You don't step on the laces.
Well, okay. Keep
We're getting technical, right?
Yeah.
See that
We
way
got
they're not-
choices out here.
yeah.
Man. We got choices out here.
And if you wanna hug your foot, you can wrap the strap around. You gotta
Exactly.
put the strap on it.
These babies here, they came out for 180 US.
190.
190. Yeah. Oh, there we go. 190 US. And yeah.
Canadian dollars.
250.
Go quickly.
Man, yeah, I'm saying, yeah. Now in StockX, you can find these babies here for roughly between 280 or 435 as of today.
Hey man, if you're a size 4 though, hit him with the 243.
Okay, so guys, we just want to talk about what kind of fits go good with this here. It's got a techie vibe, but you could also go like nice and like fitted with
A little bit streetwear, but
Yeah, a little
depending on what
streetwear.
colors you wear, yeah. Because again, it's Fear of God. It's very. It's to a certain style. You want to wear like the distressed jeans with it. You want to wear the light faded colors. You don't want to wear an all black fit with. Actually, you could low key wear an all black fit.
It could be the
with this.
pop and
Yeah,
highlight.
This would be the
highlight,
highlight, the
yeah.
statement piece of the
Yeah.
outfit. But if you want it to be like synchronized with the rest of your outfit, like do similar colors. Like I've got like light jeans that would probably mess with the bubble here.
Yeah.
And then like an off-white hoodie, something like white t-shirt. Yeah.
But yeah, man, seriously, this guy knows what he's talking about. Peep his Instagram. Look at this.
It's up there. Is it gonna go down? Like scroll like credits? Can we do that?
I think I'm doing that.
That's a lot.
yeah,
That'd be very
this
cool.
is-
Yeah.
Hey man, no, we cut that out. Man. We'll cut that out.
So
That was it. Hey, you see that sound? That was the one there. There.
Damn, man. Hope y'all like that on feed, yo. That was modeling by David Duong. That was lit.
Oh, it was nice, dude.
It's lit. It's lit. Now we can put the editing too for Travis Scott.
Yeah.
If you guys like that, man, let us know in the comments below right there.
Dude, hit that like button.
Yeah, for sure, man. Like button right down
Might
there.
need to get a new table after this one too.
We're a little strong.
But no, man, notification bells as always. So
And
you
if
never
you ain't
miss a video.
subscribed, oh yeah, my bad, dude.
No, you good.
Okay. And if you ain't subscribed, subscribe.
Yeah, for sure. And check out David Duong over here, man. Instagram, check him out. This guy's gonna be making. Are we taking this too soon?
No, let's say I want to start doing some fashion blogging, do some menswear style advice, some grooming advice, stuff like that. It's the kind of stuff you see on like Alpha M, teaching men's fashion, Alex Costa, stuff like that. Like Winnipeg needs something like that.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
It's a pretty small city. We don't have a lot going on right there,
it is
so
pretty,
we're gonna fill in that with him.
And if you want to see some pop in Snapchats, same thing. The tag
yeah.
at David
We
K1.
can pop something right now.
Yeah, word, dude. Also be in the description down below.
Yeah. And
Oh shit! Hey man, that's the video, man. We out. Yo, cut it.
OPA in my mountain, yeah. I'm about to beige and I'm on the way, yeah. We need some non-copyright music, man.